Okay, so taping the whole thing up is essentially impossible. So what we'll do is take a look at each pole of the ship, that is the top and bottom halves. I got these together as close as I could get them basically, and that is a rough cut on a piece that does have to go because the back hull basically slots into place right there into this. So that's a really great fit that's going to happen there. And obviously reinforcement is going to be needed to keep the hull aligned to itself, to the front. That's probably the true angle right there. So these two pieces will definitely have a little bit of a struggle, but with proper reinforcements on the back, that's definitely going to go very well. And I reviewed some of the earlier footage, and that was looking a little blurry. So I figured what I'd do is get some more shots here. Make sure I covered everything. Truly phenomenal. And built up, this is definitely going to be an amazing piece. Let's take the lower hull off of here and we'll put on the top. Absolutely stunning. I put that hard drive there for size reference. Like I say, it's just over 2 feet, not quite 2.5 long. And these are rough cuts up here that need to be taken out. I didn't notice them before, but the hull will fit together much better once those are gone. I wasn't going to open up the bags that had these 2 or 3 pieces here, but pretty much had to. This is going to be an incredible piece. Wow, yeah, it's too bad these aren't around anymore. This is definitely a beauty. So I don't think what I got here was some of the detail on the trenches before. Wasn't quite focused, so this is probably about it from what I can tell from the screen. We'll get a little closer here. But the entire run of the entire length of the ship on both sides, upper and lower, and underneath there, because there's still more details just above the trench walls, really just astonishing. So I absolutely couldn't let this opportunity go by to see the engine halves put together with everything in the place. Incredible. This is a massive piece with massive detail. And it's held together with a few simple clamps, which is really going to help out when it comes time to glue it all. The seams on the nozzles are definitely going to be invisible once they're set in place. I don't have any worries about that. And the back light leak coming from there, that will definitely be easily taken care of. And totally astounding. Absolutely. If you haven't seen this piece, I finished this up in 2009, early 2010. 50 something LEDs, 600 something portholes, 400 of them threaded, and pretty much as fully lit as I could make it. The blue came out really strong. I missed a lot of reds that could go in there, but overall this was definitely a good tester for when it comes to this one. So this is going to be even more magnificent. The suggested, pretty much what everyone said for portholes, you're going to want 1/4 millimeter, and that's going to be hundreds of them. So there's also a lot of red lights that dot the trenches at least, and probably the bridges too. Those are going to be like 0.10 millimeter is what I'm seeing. So if you haven't seen this Star Destroyer, definitely take a look for it in the build videos. There's a full playlist for it if you go to my main page. And like I said, that was just a test run for this one here. And if you take a look on the table, I had another video, if you follow them, the mystery model quiz. This is still the shape and size of, and there were a lot of really good guesses on that one. But as one can see, this could potentially be a Star Destroyer shape, but nacho chips and what else was there? There was a lot of good ones for what this could be. Supersized Trivial Pursuit wedge. Definitely some interesting ones there. But as you can see, just as that one is to this one, this one is going to be to that one. So that's it for this review. Thanks for watching as always. And one last note on the mounting is that on here with this Star Destroyer, there's a point on the bottom, and then under here, when this is properly magnetized on, there's also a mounting point right there. So essentially I would put them in those places here. And I wasn't able to keep any of this demagnetized, so that's a fully sealed model, but hopefully the lessons learned on that will show me how to go about doing this one here. And hopefully I'll be able to get a lot more magnets used into it, and we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching, as always. See ya.